Hello, my name is Justin Lincoln and I am sales representative with Inceptra. Inceptra has over 20 years of industry-leading experience in the sales and support of product lifecycle management technology. They offer their services to manufacturing and engineering companies from a wide variety of industries, including but not limited to automotive, consumer goods, aerospace, life sciences, and industrial equipment. Not only do they offer top-of-the-line PLM software, but they also include consulting services in order to train and support staff and maximize product efficiency. Today, I will be attempting to sell Inceptra's newest 3D design software, CATIA V6. This is my customer, Mr. Timothy Chalfant, the Engineering Vice President of Tampa Yacht Manufacturing. Mr. Chalfant and I share a mutual passion for the ocean and for ships in general. Mr. Chalfant has a reflective analytical communication style and is in the market for new associative 3D design software to eliminate rework, streamline production, and improve quality. Some common objections that Inceptra's sales force is likely to hear are that the software is too expensive, and since it is so new, how will the customers' employees know how to use it? The handling objection techniques that I am going to demonstrate are the indirect denial approach and the answer with a question approach. After handling Mr. Chalfant's objections, to conclude this video, the closing strategy that I will demonstrate will be the success story close. Alright. Hello, Mr. Chalfant. My name is Justin Lincoln, and I'm a sales representative for Inceptra. We talked on the phone earlier, and you were explaining to me how you had just come back from a cruise on your new boat. How was that?
Well, it was quite relaxing. The bay was very smooth, and the new hull chopped through the waves from other boat traffic.
That does sound very nice. I was actually out on the boat myself yesterday. We went out to a new little island off the coast of Shell Key. Are you familiar with this island?
Actually, I'm extremely familiar with that island. I take my dogs out there almost every weekend to play with those dogs.
Well, I'm surprised I haven't seen you, because I actually, too, take my dogs out there from time to time. What kind of boat do you have?
Well, you see, I was driving around in one of our newer outboard center console style boats. It comes with a fully equipped speedometer, depth finder, fish finder, and 3 250 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke engines.
Wow, that is one powerful boat. I bet you can fly right past some of those other smaller boats out there. Some of the boats today are just so technologically advanced with all their additional gadgets that it's almost hard to even believe.
Yeah, you see shipbuilding has really seen some major advancements in the past few years, and we'll continue to see some more in the near future.
Well, Mr. Chalfant, I would like to tell you a little about my company and why I'm here today. Should I begin by telling you a little about my company and myself?
Yeah, I remember a little from the boat, but as I was on the boat, it was kind of hard to remember all of it, so I can go over it again.
Sounds good. Okay, well, first of all, Inceptra is a global company with office locations in the U.S. and around the world. We offer services to companies in a wide expanse of industries, ranging from aerospace and automotive to consumer goods and life sciences. We pride ourselves in our customer satisfaction and offer consultative services to train and support the customer's employees to optimize user productivity. As for myself, I am a University of Florida graduate with a degree in biological engineering, packaging engineering, with a minor in sales engineering. I've been working as a sales representative with Inceptra for 5 years now, and I've watched as the technology has advanced and progressed, so I know the ins and outs of the new technology.
Yes, I have heard of Inceptra and your products before.
Okay, good. Now that I know you are familiar with what my company sells, I would like to ask you a question about the current production process of your yachts. Is there anything that you would like to improve about this production process?
Actually, I do have a few concerns with my current production process I'd like to solve. First of all, I need associate software to eliminate the rework, streamline production, and improve quality. I have found that with the current software I'm using, I'm losing a lot of money because of rework and quality issues. I would also like the ability to design 3D configurations in order to eliminate problems before they hit the ship floor, and to provide visuals for prospective customers without building prototypes, and to conduct different performance measures during the design phase.
Okay, from what I understand, you would like an associative software to reduce errors and money loss in the design phase, and you would like the ability to design 3D configurations to reduce errors and to make 3D prototypes for prospective customers, and also to analyze the designs. I believe that Inceptra's newest software, CATIA V6, will be able to solve all these problems that you are facing. Would you like to hear more about how our product can solve all these concerns and possibly more?
Wow, I mean, it does sound like your product really provides some benefits to the company. So yeah, I'd love to hear more about CATIA V6.
Awesome. Alright, well first of all, CATIA V6 software gives the customer the ability to develop 3D design of different configurations. The benefits of this feature is that you can build a virtual model of the final product. In your case, a yacht, either in parts or altogether. An additional benefit of this is the fact that you can eliminate problems before they hit the shop floor. This will allow you to save money because you won't be wasting time and resources on flawed products. Another benefit of CATIA V6 is that it allows you to build virtual designs for potential customers without building expensive and time-consuming prototypes. A final benefit of the 3D design software is that it allows you to conduct different performance measures during the design phase in order to test products before a penny is spent on the actual manufacturing of them. Would you mind if I showed you a quick tutorial of our CATIA V6 software being used in ship design?
Yeah, that sounds pretty appealing. I'd love to see that.
Alright, well here it is. Alright, now that you have seen how our product can be applied to the shipbuilding process and you understand the benefits of our CATIA V6 3D design software, do you agree that our software will solve the problems that you are facing with your current 3D modeling programs?
Yeah, I see how your software exactly solves the problems I'm having.
Alright, now that you agree that our program can help solve the problems you're facing, would you like to place an order with me today?
Actually, there are a couple more things I'd like to consider before I make a purchase. Would you mind telling me a little bit more about your product?
Well, yes, I would love to tell you more about CATIA V6. Another attractive feature of this software is its lower maintenance costs. We pride ourselves on customer satisfaction, and because of this, offer a reduced price on consultation services and maintenance of our software. The specific benefit of this reduced price is that you save money in the long run, as you can see our product in the long run. As you can see from this value analysis chart, our product may be more expensive initially, but the value analysis chart will show you how much you will be paying in 5 years. When you first purchase CATIA V6, you'll be spending $16,000, which is $1,000 more than Unigraphics and $7,000 more than Inventor. The maintenance cost, though, for ours, however, is $2,500 a year compared to $3,500 a year for Unigraphics and $4,000 a year for Inventor. After 5 short years, you will see that you save $4,000 by not purchasing Unigraphics and $500 by not purchasing Inventor. Also, if you go with the cheaper solution, Inventor, you are going to pay more in the long run and you will be stuck with less sophisticated software. Do you agree that Inceptra's lower consultation and maintenance costs will save you $500 to $4,000 in the long term, adding value to the CATIA V6 software?
Yeah, I see how the lower consultation and maintenance costs will help with that. I definitely would agree there.
Okay, cool. Well, so now that you have seen how our CATIA V6 software will give you all the 3D capabilities that you desire, and you will save money in the long run when compared to competitors, are you ready to purchase CATIA V6 today?
Well, unfortunately, there's still a few other things I'd like to cover before making any purchases.
Okay. That's understandable, completely understandable. Is there anything about our product that you would like me to clear up for you?
In fact, I do have a concern about the software in general. Most of the software in the market these days is not associative, and I heard that your software is the same way. That leads to errors when the designs are sent to different programs to work on different aspects of the designs. How will your software solve that problem?
So from what I understand, you are unsure about how our software is not associative software, and this may lead to problems in the design and production process. Am I correct?
That's correct.
Okay, I understand where you're coming from, and I know the difficulties that arise from not using associative software. Our company's older version of CATIA was not associative, and we were alerted to problems encountered on our customer side almost immediately after our first copy was sold. Since our company is built on excellent customer service and satisfaction, we released CATIA V6, and when we did so, we made sure that it was an associative software in order to reduce these errors. Now that you know that it was actually our older software that wasn't associative, and that CATIA V6 is an actual associative software, would you agree that CATIA V6 will solve the problems involving not having an associative software?
Yeah, okay. Well, if it's an older version of your software, then I can see it's definitely now associative software.
Okay. Alright, Mr. Chalfant. Now that you see CATIA V6 has all the 3D design features that you require and more, and that CATIA V6 is an associative software, do you have any more questions about our product that I can help clarify?
Well, yeah, I do have one more concern involving the price of your product. It's one of the most expensive and most technical in the market. I understand that you have lower maintenance costs, which will save you money in the long run, but I still don't know if your software is really worth the money.
Okay, from what I hear you're saying that you don't know if our CATIA V6 software is worth the money because it is so new, high-tech, and expensive. Do you have any other specific concerns regarding price, or is it just that you are unsure of its value, if the value is worth the cost?
No, you summarized it pretty well, I think. That's pretty much it.
Okay. Well, first of all, you were correct when you said that CATIA V6 is the most expensive software on the market. This is true, but it also is the most technical software on the market. It gives you many more capabilities than any other software available today. Also, the 3D design software allows you to save money on models and prototypes for prospective customers. With this software, you can show the customer a design of what the ship will look like without spending a penny on the actual model. Our CATIA V6 software will also save you money when it comes to producing your ships. With our technology, you can analyze and test 3D designs virtually to find weak points and fix them before production. This will save you tons of money because it will reduce the need for repairs and improve the overall quality of the ships you build. Also, since we offer consulting and maintenance services at a reduced rate, your employees will have training on the use of CATIA V6 and 24-hour customer support. Now that I have explained some of the extra added value that comes with the CATIA V6 software, would you agree that the added value is worth the slightly higher initial cost?
Yeah, that's a lot of value. I could definitely see it's worth you paying all that.
Alright, great. Glad I could clear that up for you. Are there any questions you have for me right now?
No, I mean, it seems as though you covered everything I needed so far.
Alright, well I came to you today because you are in need of new associative 3D design software to eliminate rework, streamline production, and improve quality. You are also looking to develop different 3D configurations in order to eliminate problems before they hit the shop floor, provide visuals for prospective customers without building prototypes, and to conduct different performance measures during the design phase. Is this correct?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. That is good because our CATIA V6 software will fill all these needs while also adding value. Not only will our software give you the capabilities you desire, but it will also save you money on the production floor and in the long run on consultation and maintenance fees. As I previously mentioned, CATIA V6 software can be applied to numerous industries, and recently Boeing Airlines purchased a copy of our software. Before they were using AutoCAD and other 3D design software, but they realized they needed something new for their newest and biggest plane that is coming out soon, the Dreamliner. Boeing purchased our CATIA V6 software and have used our software for the complete design, testing, and analyzing of the Dreamliner series of planes. Since the purchase of our software, Boeing has reduced some of its production floor costs as well as costs relating to errors due to not having associative software. Our software has also reduced planning and production time of these aircrafts. Here is a short YouTube clip that shows a little about how the Dreamliner has been designed and created using our CATIA V6 software. Alright. Would you agree that our CATIA V6 software benefited Boeing and helped increase their productivity?
Yeah, I would definitely agree that CATIA V6 software is definitely helpful to Boeing there, for sure.
Alright, well now that you see how our product can benefit your company and how our product has benefited other companies, would you like me to start filling out the paperwork for your new CATIA V6 software?
Yeah, I think I'm ready to purchase CATIA V6.
Alright, thank you very much. I'll start that up right now.
Alright, thank you for coming in today.
Yeah, I just want to let you know that you have made the right decision in purchasing our software, and you'll be very happy with the outcome of this decision. Our consultants and I will be here on the day of installation in order to install and guide the employees through a quick crash course to get them started on the new software. Here's my personal contact information, and feel free to give me a call if you have any questions or concerns with the new software.
Okay.
And it was a pleasure meeting you, Mr. Chopin.
Alright, thank you very much for coming in today. I can't see your software in action.